Hey everybody, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert a footer only on the last pages in Microsoft Word without affecting the rest of your document. This is especially useful when certain reports, creating reports, assignments, this books or official documents where the footer such as a signature, page number, disclaimers or content information should appear only on the final pages. By default, Microsoft Word applies header and footers all pages, which can be confusing. In this video, I will show you simple and effective step-by-step methods to control footer placement and apply in only the last page or last few pages. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your document. We can see here my document and here the last page. You can view this multiple view. You can enable the multiple view option. Go to the view and click this multiple view option. Here the multiple page. Now I am go to the last page, then click the last of the last page. Then go to layout menu, click this break option and choose this next page option. Then erase the gap. Then go to the insert menu, click this footer drop down menu and choose a footer type. Now I am select this footer and we can see here the footer is section 2. Here the first section on the all first page and the last page only on the second section. At first we turn off the link to previous page. Now I am click the footer and click this turn off to the another page. Now I am write anything on this footer page. Then zoom in this document. Then double click on the main page. Then we can see here the last page and we type backspace the footer, but here the all page not available the footer. Otherwise you can remove this type text, double click on the footer, then erase this, then double click on the main page. We can see we make easily this process. You can follow me and see this video step by step. I hope you can make this. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.